Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I am answering your question, can I lock my smart key inside my car? Thank you for all the people leaving comments for video ideas as well. I totally appreciate it. Let's get started. So this is what our smart key looks like. Of course, it looks a little different across models, but in this case, I am demonstrating on a 2021 CHR. The key needs to be in the cabin to start the vehicle, but what happens if we try to lock the key inside? I'm going to share a few different scenarios here. So right now I have the vehicle fully running and ready to drive. I'm going to leave the keys in the cup holder and show you what happens when the vehicle is running. Now, if I open the door as if I'm going to get out and I press the lock button, you'll notice that it immediately unlocks the door, and this happens to every door. I'm clicking it again. All of the doors automatically unlock, so it is impossible to lock your vehicle before you get out while the vehicle is running. Now let's try turning the vehicle off. The vehicle is now completely off. I'm going to leave the key in the cup holder and get out of the vehicle. When I try to lock the vehicle using the door handle sensors, you will hear a long, audible beep. This is what it sounds like. It will not let you lock the vehicle with the key in the car. You will also notice a visible prompt on your MID letting you know that the key was detected in the vehicle. Now let's try locking the key in a different way. So we'll put the key in the cup holder, we'll turn the vehicle off, we'll open the door and lock the vehicle from the door. Notice that this now works because the vehicle is turned off. When I get out of the vehicle and close the door, you will see the hazard lights flash and hear a loud, long beep. I'll play a bit of that now for you. It unlocks all the doors for me, and when I get in, I will also notice a key detected in vehicle message on the MID. As long as your smart key's battery is not depleted, your vehicle will not lock the key inside. The only exception to this rule is if you use your other key fob to manually lock the key in the vehicle. This is allowed because the vehicle knows you have the second fob outside the cabin, so you will have a method to unlock the doors. And that is all for today's video on locking your smart key in your Toyota vehicle. I hope this helps ease your mind a little bit when using your smart key system. I'm Bronwyn, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.